चलो Daudan, you go.
Loadout drop inbound. They're on me. Enemy UAV active. Enemy UAV active. Target is down. Oh, eyes on trooper. Hostile operator. Losing ground. Move it. Allied cluster strike arriving. It's just you and them. Finish it.
Yes, والله انت وانا ضامن
Loadout drop inbound. Enemy UAV active. They're on me. An enemy team is hunting you. Don't become prey. It's just you and them. Finish it.
Yes والله انت يا ولد.
Five left. Enemy won this battle, but we'll be back to finish the
it, bro. He's covering my ass. Fuck out of the way.
Friendly counter UAV active. Enemy counter inbound. Right, go for load. Halfway there, keep fighting.
Target is marked.
Specialist. Allied cluster strike inbound.
Man. Kom maar aan, man.
Check your gear and weapons. Go soon. Practice is over. The real fight begins now.
Lady, jump. Lady.
Hey, sorry. Flashmate ngayon. Flashmate ngayon.
Wait bang.
Eyes on shooter. Mover spotted.
Mate was sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to deploy.
Let's get Martin. Sige, Martin.
Your teammate has failed. They're sent back to base.
Pumunta na ako lang.
Supply box marked. Secure the goods. Objective updated.
Baka lumahilig.
Nga akong pabatay na ito.
Oh, target on distance. Target.
Wild Guardian.
Mo.
Without looking, go. Hit! Hindi ba gelsin mi yapıyor? Demiş ki
Survive
Kaçın benim like out.
Wait, có nêm lắm thì
Bình kia like out.
tiếp cho dù là tiếp dù là
Ne tesura?
No.
Cacahuate. Dito na, cuidado. Besok mana man ni gambar ini bago lang.
Time to fight. Oi, you're up
really
next.
spot
Ready
the
up.
one. Okay, there's the ball for me. Oh shit!
Wow!
The loadout and you return to the front line. Lose and you're finished. It's time, soldier. Break up. Back to base.
Ah!
Your team can pay
They
for
got-
your release if they can afford it.
I try. This one? This one? This one? Good. Ow!
Vai dia. Unter Nuss.
Trời ơi, tại vì... Fuck. Two dead.
Không chưa?
Man, bang.
Nigga!
Join us.
Alright, invite me. Bro, I can't. I always lag when I host.
Aha.
Well, tayo kung tel.
I'm a freeze, I guess. Battle passive.
Kaya nga game. Mawal balik ka siya. Yeah. Yes. Ah, there usual long.
Yeah, man.
Ay, Battle Warzone sabi ko sa inyo eh. Roll, baby, let's roll. Gore.
We've got enemy inbound. Lock and load.
Oh shit.
Friendly sentry gun online. Cluster striking. Halfway there.
Damn it! Fuck you, dude. Yeah.
Never miss a delivery when you use the Amazon app. No more waiting at the window or listening to the door. You'll know where your package is and when it arrives with real-time tracking and delivery notifications. What will you do with your newfound freedom? That's shopping made fast and easy, only in the Amazon app.
Hmm? What you want? Hmm?
Enemy threats in the AO. Weapons hot.
Oh shit, motherfucker, you on
Taking fire!
How are they already behind? They're up in the barn. Never been there.
Target down!
In our spawn. Spawn flip.
Run, bitch! Why you run slow? Oh my god.
On the side of the burning barn.
Enemy UAV overhead.
At the butcher shop. It's in the butcher shop.
Fuck you.
Cheating fucks. In the spawn. All they're doing is trying to spawn trap us.
Fuck you, bro.
Up in the burning barn upstairs, aiming at the spawn.
What's up? What's up? What's up, bitch?
One going down the trench.
He cheated. How the fuck our guys right next to him? Whoop! Our guys right next to him. Finally killed him. Peach.
They get behind you, they're using a cheat. They're probably transporting or something. They're on the left side of the spawn at the Vernon building.
Fuck you guys. Fuck you.
Specialist achieved. Enemy UAV on.
Hear me, bitch!
Enemy personal radar in the air. Taking control.
Fuck you, peeking for.
Apple seed.
Up in the house on the trench side.
बस भी पता हो गया
Fuck! You gotta spawn. Why you standing, bitch? Fuck you.
Friendly care package inbound.
Trench side. Watch that trench side. They're over there on the side.
No, brother. Suck!
Fucking rocket. He was a fucking.
We're losing ground. Step it up. Hammond, step it up.
Yes! Don't fuck with boost. You guys push, but you guys suck.
Gonna take it light.
Stop pushing if you suck.
Damn, all that boosting and you still
Look at me,
lost,
I'm gonna
faggot.
kill you all. Look at me. That's me right there, motherfucker. Shut up.
You still lost. And you still lost. All that and you still
Damn,
lost.
32 kills. Nobody's.
All that and you still lost.
Hook yeah. I see. Do you want? No.
Okay, go, go.
Rush mate.
At cho nên chua.
Tao hàng mate niya sa multiplayer hindi pa pala.
Chan na nati ang pangam chuang pain pai di mo nga. Room.
Moldy, hindi ba taga? Multiplayer. Pia. Which one?
Okay. Kaya ka talay pulu nga tul. Awal sa Epic Island. Not Tuk Island.
Hey, wait.
Wrong bedroom.
Hey.
Nasıl kan olma bakılı derkim.
Hindi check para sa tap.
Magnificent 691. Wait.
Ay, nasa check it para
Hello Safas. Hey, gumde, ngasula.
Lagay siya flashing light. Credit card on the move.
Wait.
Yeah, para sa rafa ya.
Wait. Wala wala.
So.
Ya mu tesi bien agad.
Di na siya dari piye nga chan. So.
No, not me. Only that not like it. Only yours.
Mela piace. Olur mu dedim komutan?
Ne?
Ha,
Usul
wala.
lang. Okay. ERT. Hey, Luanda. Smooth.
Yes, if only got exchanged 25 rounds.
ERG like that.
Net 10, fuck it, bring back the old shit.
Ayun mo.
Yeah.
Your charge.
Siya sapa. Kaya love siya sapa. Funky, eh.
Đây, ấm đây. Abang ngomong udah.
Siya sapa.
Stevin.
Sapa ti sata.
Stevin pasal apa? Stevin Ronald. Stevin Fu.
Talfu be.
Nggak siapa kalau dalam.
Apa mshowe?
Jangan li malu में जाते ले. ऐसा हुए बोलता है. Siapa kalau siapa man?
Matayan ji tadi puji saya.
Matang na mo del fast pa nga atile. Oh, kusahan gitu. Boleh. Kaya ngatikan orang nanti yang juga se cun kan kira se.
experience around. Choose from over 1,000 new Hondas online. See your monthly payment, value your trade-in, and get pre-approved financing. Then come by our brand new state-of-the-art 100-car indoor showroom. You've got to see it for yourself. Let us show you the Weiler way at the all-new Jeff Weiler Honda Auto Mall on Dixie Highway.
Art, and then there's the Art of Goodwill. It's the annual showcase of exquisite art made with repurposed materials from Goodwill stores. Tune in to the televised Art of Goodwill event December the 5th for a tribute to world-renowned sculptor Ed Hamilton and view the works of art made by the artist he hand-selected for this year's artist residency. Watch this year's broadcast on December the 5th at 12:30 p.m. on WBKI in Louisville for an art show by Goodwill Industries of Kentucky that you won't soon forget.
Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
Pickles! Oh, yes, yes, my underlings. More pickles! I shall rule the world with pickles. Gummy! Why'd you wake me from a wonderful dream about... Oh, that's not important. With that awful noise!
No, it's you, young.
Okay, let's have a look here. Wide. Wider. Widest. Hey, you! Don't you ever brush? There's a piece of last week's meatloaf surprise still stuck on your bicuspid. Well, there's only one scientific conclusion. Something's not right. We need to ask Carla.
Standing crane. Forward lion. Undulating octopus. Kumquat roll attack. What in the wide, wide world of ninjutsu was that?
Gummy, something's not right with his voice.
Somehow, some way, Gummy's talker must have been jiggered. And we have to unjigger it. Maybe Granny Peters could help?
Did that hurt? How about that? Wait. What about this? Nothing? Good. Let's try this.
Where did Granny Peters get all this scientific equipment?
Shh! Don't ever ask that question. Ever. Well, that's something you don't see every day. Speak, Gummy.
Yes, any moito.
That should do it.
What do you want me to say?
What do you do?
What was that? Say games.
Interesting. That's not Tippish. Gummy is talking backwards. Backwards?
Backwards?
Is there an echo in here? I saw him last night, and he was speaking right way round. So, somewhere in the last 12 hours, Gummy must have reversed his vocal cords.
So what can we do? How do we reverse a reversed voice talkie cordy thingy?
Well, Gummy must retrace his steps and do everything backwards until he comes to the point where his vocal cords got turned around.
Right, we're on it. It's backwards gummy time. Quick, follow him.
Into the little gummy's room? But that's private.
Aha! Gummy must have got reversed with his backwards mirror image.
And we have to swap our gummy with the reverse gummy, who's actually our gummy, even if this one is our gummy. I'm so confused.
Follow that backwards gummy!
Hey, wait!
There's our gummy! Get him, Harry!
That looks dangerous. I'm not taking part in that. You? Yeah, what?
Stop messing around, Gummy! Get to our world while you can! Aha! I win! And my voice is back to voicing! Yes! I am Gummy! Hear me roar! And not backwards. My voice is back! I can say anything I want the right way. Listen! Peter Piper picked a peck of pumpernickel pies. Ta-da! I can't wait to talk to everyone! But here's Seth, now you know.
And I do follow me, not.
In our...
Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
La 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 la. Finally, a Christmas I always dreamed of. Alone. That's right. Mr. Kronk, Granny Peters, Kala, and Harry are all gone for Christmas, which is great. It's just going to be me and Santa. Santa should be here in 6 hours, according to NORAD. Better set my clock. Only 6 hours until Santa. Like this baking sheet, I will butter up Santa with the most delicious cookies he has ever had in his life. That fuzzy old man will have no choice but to bring me the most presents ever. What was that? Is that something on the roof? Is that right? I need time for the cookies to bake, so let's leave it at 3. Santa can't arrive until this clock says so. Who could that be? Since I know Santa's not coming for 3 whole hours, there's only one conclusion I can come to. It's a burglar! He must be after my Christmas cookies! Oh no, you aren't trying to squeeze down my chimney, are my cookies rise. Huh? The cookie burglar again? Right. Bring it on. I am ready to defend my cookies. Come holly or high mistletoe. This box of Christmas goodies should take care of you. On the first day of Christmas, I gave my burglar free a massive fruit cake.
Oh!
On the second day of Christmas, I gave my burglar free the glass Christmas ornament. And boy, is this heavy.
Oh!
Hey, you want to know what I gave my burglar free on the third day of Christmas?
No! Not at all!
I gave my burglar free all the presents I never wanted.
Ow!
How about some rancid eggnog? Merry Christmas to one and all. Even to my friend the burglar who appears to be agnostic. Eggnog you later. Is he saying ho ho ho? Why would that make him laugh? This guy just won't quit. I must defend my cookies for Santa.
Who's that on the roof coming down the chimney? Who's that banging on my door? It must be a burglar. Go away, intruder. It's Christmas, don't you know? Bells are ringing, ding-a-ling-a-ling, doesn't make much sense to me. Did I miss something? Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, do you think that it could be? You're Santa in my house, you know I love you so. I hope I didn't make you mad when I buried you in snow. I guess I made a small mistake to set your moods ablaze. I sense that you're not happy now, I can see it in your face.
The cookies are for Santa. You can't have any. Tinsel my toes. Now who could that be? Maybe it's Santa. Impossible. Santa's not coming for another 3 hours. It must be sooner by now. Well, deck my halls. Giant Christmas cows? A gummy's gotta do what a gummy's gotta do. Yippee-ki-yay, Christmas cows! My cookies! They're finally done! And stuffed my stockings. All this cookie defending sure has made me hungry. I suppose one cookie won't hurt.
Ho, ho, ho! Those cookies sure smell good!
You betcha! But they're not for you. They are my special cookies. For a special man that only comes once a year down the chimney and ho-ho-hos and reindeer? Your name isn't Samuel by any chance, is it? Samuel Claus?
No.
Uh-oh. Hi, Santa.
Oh, so now you recognize me.
Guess I'm not on the nice list anymore, huh?
Nice list? Nice list? I'm late now for my deliveries. It is Christmas Eve, and this is the night I have to spread joy throughout the land.
Well, Santa, I have to say, if it makes you feel any better, you brought me a lot of joy. I mean, a lot of joy.
Oh, did I?
Oh, yes. I had a lot of fun maiming and mayheming you, actually.
Come on, Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Rudolph. We don't have time for this fun adult.
Look, is there anything I can do to help? You know, so we can call it even?
Call it even? You burned my feet, smashed my head with Christmas decorations, covered me in rancid eggnog, threw me from a tall building, and then topped me with cupcake frosting and sprinkles.
Like I said, a lot of joy was had.
Well, there is one teeny tiny thing
today's nature program, Frog Nation.
No! Don't end! Show me more frogs! They're so cute! So green! Just like me! Wait, what did I just say? So green! Just like me! Just like me! Just like me! Just like me! Maybe I'm a frog. It could explain a lot. Huh? Ooh. Ah. Yes, I'm definitely green. I'm a frog and proud of it! Hi, Gummy. Everything okay? Sure is. I'm a frog, guys. Isn't that great?
What exactly makes you think you're a frog?
Because I'm green, silly.
Lots of green things aren't frogs, Gummy.
Harry's right. And you don't look or act like a frog. The TV said there were over 4,000 species of frogs. How do you know I'm not one of them?
Well, frogs have long, slimy tongues, and they hop around a lot.
You mean like this?
Well, sort of. They also live in ponds, not apartments.
Well, I can live in ponds too. In fact, that's just where I'll go, forever and ever. In pond! This is not going to end well, is it?
Yeah. Maybe I should have mentioned frogs eat flies?
Ugh. There they are, just waiting for me to join them. Hello, frog brothers and sisters. I'm Gummy. I've been a frog my whole life, but only just realized it today. Nice damn froggy place you got here. So quiet and peaceful. My, what lovely ponds Gummy has. A lily pad. I've always wanted to sit on a lily pad. And my new life as a frog begins. Getting kinda hungry here. Hey, my amphibian kin. What time's chow? I guess that means now. Oh boy, my first fly. Here goes. Back home, I ate all kinds of good things. Ketchup smothered burgers, brain freezing shakes, pistachio ice cream with french fries on top. You guys would love pistachio ice cream with french fries on top. That gives me an idea. Hang on, my froggy family. I'll be right back. Gummy, are you back? You've been gone all day. Everything is A-okay. I'm just packing some food for my new slimy buddies down at the pond. Are you sure the frogs will want to eat that stuff? Paula, who wouldn't want pistachio ice cream with french fries on top?
But you have to keep it frozen, otherwise it gets messy and smelly.
You're right, Harry. That's why you're a genius. All this great food will spoil by the time I get it back to the pond. Only one thing to do. Take the whole fridge. Is it really a good idea to live like a frog? Won't you miss the comforts of modern living? Wow. You're right, Paula. I better bring them with me, too. Skateboard, stereo, can live without foosball, and my computer. Hope they have Wi-Fi at the pond. Well, I'm off. Wish me luck.
That bag
No. Do something. What's on TV? Maybe I'll fix it later. I'm too pooped right now.
I did it. I'm moving to the limit. With it, I'll give it the biggest fun I ever had. I found my calling, sifting my luck. I'm living my life. I'll throw them on the bus.
about you. Look, you've got mosquito bites all over you. Huh? Sure they're not warts. Perfectly normal for a frog. For the last time, you're not a frog. And warts are on toads, not frogs.
You know, you can't believe everything you see on TV.
You can't? Of course you can. If it's on TV or the internet, it's always
I
true.
think we have a problem.
Wait a sec, Harry. I believe I have a solution.
I don't know, Carla. Seems kind of cruel to play this trick on Gummy.
We're trying to help him. Now hush and help me set up. Hello, morning. Hello, frogs. Whoa! My TV's come back to life. We have breaking news. This just in. Gummy is not a frog. He doesn't live in a pond, go ribbit, or eat flies. I don't? But if I'm not a frog, what am I? Gummy can be anything he wants, and his friends will accept him. Wow, I can be whomever I want. Oh, joy. Oh, bliss. Later, froggies. I'm going home to sleep in my own bed tonight.
Well, that seems to have worked.
Thank goodness. I knew Gummy would believe it if he heard it on TV.
Not terribly encouraging.
Well, it worked, didn't it? Now, let's pack Gummy stuff and take it home to him. Aha! There you are. Hurry up, guys. My favorite nature show is going to start. When dung beetles collide. Huh? I wonder if I'm a dung beetle. I smell pretty dungy.
Thank you.
Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show. Welcome to episode 105 of Extreme Makeover Gingerbread House Baking Edition.
We've seen 104 episodes already.
Oh, I only thought it was 102.
Oh, come on. You can't possibly still be watching Extreme Makeover Gingerbread House Baking Edition.
How many times do we have to tell you? Yes, we are. Pass the chocolate-covered ketchup-flavored cream puffs, please.
Whoa, what was that?
I saw something, but I'm pretty sure it was nothing. Less talk, more TV.
Yeah, there it is again.
So what?
I think it's a...
What? What is it? A mailman? A motorcycle? A mosaic? A megaphone? A melting pot?
It was a mouse.
Mouse? I don't see him.
I'm too scared to look.
Oh, rats. I can't believe we have a mouse. That's such hard cheese.
What if it's plotting against us? What if it has some strange mouseian disease like mousepox or mouse flu or foot and mouse?
Worse, what if it wants to tango?
Why would it?
No. There will be no tangling on my watch. Wait a minute. There are 3 of us and only 1 of him. Plus, we're bigger. Come on, team. Let's get him.
Here, mousey.
Oh, I think I see something. Wait, no. That was just our shadows.
I got something.
Oh, do you mind? I'm eating here.
She scares, yet excites me when she does that.
Carla, it's on your head.
I know that. Get it.
What do we do?
Hold still.
Wait, is this a good idea, Gummy?
What are you? A wussy pussy?
Uh-oh.
Carla, wake up.
That was something else.
Yeah, but at least she's okay.
I'm sorry for whacking you, Paula.
Not sure what you just said, but anyway,
Is it just me? Or is she acting like she doesn't know us?
Carla, what's up? You're acting like a...
Oh, no!
All cats do that.
Maybe we should tie her up before things get too crazy.
Like they are already. You know, even though she is a vicious wild animal who will probably try and scratch my eyes out, she does look kind of cute.
Stay focused, Harry.
Carla, get a hold of yourself!
Oh, yelling at her. Maybe that'll work. Carla, we are all friends here!
Did you hear that? Did you see what I saw? The sound of little footsteps, a shadow on the wall. There it goes, running across the floor. I think I saw a mouse, little for the door. Mousey, 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 in my little housey. We gotta catch that little rat. Mousey, 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 get rid of little mousey before it does.
Oh, wait. Your ninja stars were your favorite.
Oh, please, Gummy, no!
Don't you want her to get better? Oh, maybe I can punk your memory back into you. Whoa! Sharp claws! Sharp claws! Ow!
Why don't you remember us?
Maybe she needs something. Maybe she needs something that money can't buy. Here, Kala. Commercial love.
Maybe a mother's love?
How's my little poopsie whoopsie kitten baby? Maybe a slideshow showing Kala how she used to be might help. Who can resist a good slideshow? This is my last idea, so it better work.
Wow. Impressive, Gummy.
Tomorrow then.
Aw, look at all the fun we've had together.
Kala, have to pay attention.
Oh, you're just full of great ideas today, aren't you, Gummy?
Say goodbye to our little friend.
Nice knowing you, little mouse. Except it wasn't.
What the? Give it away! Give it away! Hey, Carla, you aren't wild anymore.
Wild? Wild? What do you mean? I'm a cultured kitty. I'm a refined feline. Even if I got hit on the head, I wouldn't go wild. I was wild.
Oh, the good kitty is back.
Oh, guys, was I acting wild? Oh, I'm so humiliated.
Oh, look, Carla. He just wanted to watch Extreme Makeover Gingerbread House Baking Edition with us.
Well, I'll be gone. Pass the chocolate covered ketchup flavored cream puffs, please.
Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
naughty buccaneer has buried a king's ransom of pineapple pepperoni pizzas and hidden them from the eyes of the world. Yaha! X marks the spot. It's the pizza pirate's life for me!
I am the pizza pirate. I'm looking for Baloo. Anyone gets in my way will get to see my boat. I am the pizza pirate. I am a treasure map. It shows a birdie torture with techniques that marks the spot. Hello, hello, I know that behold. Dipping and dinging, 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 all about the blow. I am the pizza pirate. The left can go below. My mate is with my spirit. I'm within the pirate's hole.
Almost done alphabetizing my laundry. Now, if I'm color-coding the socks based on the prismatic spectrum, is it red to violet or violet to red? Trick question! If I'm alphabetizing, it has to be red to violet. Ah! Pirate ship gummy! What's going on?
Alas, you lizardy lover! There be treasure about that I means to find. 8 paces forward and 5 back, and a quick left at the couch. And X marks the spot.
I just waxed that floor.
Shiver me timbers, no treasure. I must have read the map all wrong like. 'Tis all shredded, as if by a critter's claws. Ah! Of course! 'Tis color department I be wanting.
What just happened?
Kala, you do not need to see the butt to kick the butt.
Ahoy there, lass!
Hi, Gummy. Give me a second. I'm almost done with my routine.
Walking the plank, be ya? Take your time, lass. 'Tis treasure I be hunting, and X marks the spot. Bless the luck! There be no treasure here neither.
And she sticks the
I wonder where she's going. Arr! 'Tis a piratical petunia flew. The booty be buried in Granny's flowering patch. Tiny, set a course to the Ulster's garden.
What just happened?
Who's your granny? My pert little petunia, at the risk of stating the obvious. Granny's your granny. Oh, that's odd. Oh, odder still. Gopher, and a big one too. He's picked the wrong petunia patch to pillage. My plasma-powered Gopher Getter 2000 will make short work of this pestiferous Diomede.
Sharky!
Oh, got him!
Throw me down and bottle of Dreadlocks! Right in the poop deck!
Gummy, why are you digging up my garden?
This treasure map says Granny Island's where the riches be hid.
Gummy, this isn't really a treasure map. It's just an old takeaway menu with an X next to a pineapple pepperoni pizza.
Nice try, you tricky sea hag, but you'll not be swaying me from the treasure quest, nor stealing the loot before me. This treasure is his, and his too. Gummy will never give up the search, even if I have to give 1,000 hopes.
We have to do something about this, or Gummy's gonna Swiss cheese the whole town.
I have a plan.
Granny?
That would be Penny, who is me here.
You must be really hungry. That's a lot of pizzas. ditch the shovel and give us some peace.
I thought you were all done with digging, Gummy. Not before I bury me booty in a secret spot all on me own. Because nobody ever hides anything under the bed. Arr, what be this? Whatever it be, it's taking up space from me treasure.
What the what?
Yes?
You shortchanged me on those pizzas, and you still owe me. Tell you what. I'll give you a large pizza for that box of shiny trash. Heck, I'll make it extra large.
More pizza? Bam, Susie, you've got a seal.
Sucker!
Can you believe it? Free pizza for an old box filled with junk. You gonna bury that one too, Gummy? You bet I am. X marks the spot. Oh.
Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
Strap yourselves in because it's time for another bone-breaking, spleen-splintering, high-impact episode of the world's most bewildering unicycle accidents.
Bamboozle! I love this show so much it hurts!
Let's make sure we've got everything we need for a perfect evening of mayhem viewing. Okay, custom fit inflatable fluffy pillows.
Check!
Individual fingerprint keyed remote controls.
Check!
High calorie artery clogging snack foods.
Oops! No check! What? I guess I got so excited about the show that I forgot to go to the store.
No snacks! What are we gonna do? We're gonna starve to death!
Is it too early to suggest cannibalism?
I'll just heat up the leftovers from our last TV night. I'm not quite sure that deep fried tandoori salami fish paste goes good with chunky style peanut butter and cream corn. But waste not, want not. Okay, crank the radiation to 11 and set the timer on way too low. Hurry up, Gummy! You're missing the best accident! Wanga, I'm on my way!
Did you hear something?
It was just the TV. Did you see the way that guy stuck the landing? Get it? Stuck? Because he landed butt first on the thorn. Nobody gets me.
One from column A and one from column B. I'm going to gobble you down. Don't hurt me! And yes, I appreciate the irony of this moment. Hot dog on a bun. Bun
interrupting our TV night.
Why are we carrying plungers and torches when there are 3 chainsaws right here?
Plungers are funnier, Harry. Now, let's go catch us a monster. Hey, look at that. It's more scared of us than we are of it.
Not more scared than me.
You know, I somehow feel responsible for this poor thing's creation, since I was the one who created it. I say we adopt it and give it a chance for a normal life.
Okay, define normal.
There's a monster in the microwave. It is looking for food, nothing is safe. Anything that's eatable left weeks ago, it gobbles and right up. It's a pudgy monster that does wait for food. It's looking kinda scary and don't smell so good. It will eat all the leftovers that it can find. It's never gonna stop. Oh my god!
They grow up so quickly. Come on, you big smelly goofball. Let's get you some breakfast. If you keep this up, I'm never gonna get my cleaning deposit back. That was delicious. Your turn.
Gummy, I hate to say this, but I think it's time for your little one to leave the nest.
Yeah, before he demolishes it. But where can he go?
The dump!
Great idea, Harry. It's like a retirement home, an amusement park for leftovers rolled into one big stinky package. Saying goodbye is the hardest part. Give me a hug, you big smelly thing. Even though he's gone, he'll always be with us. Yeah, until we take a shower at least.
Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
Ow!
I win again!
You keep winning, and I won't be able to sit for a week.
Wow! For me?
That probably isn't a good sign.
Glowing gummy is never a good sign. There's something peacefully soothing about hurling a 16-pound compressed ball of polyurethane at a cowering group of defenseless blocks of maple that really makes me feel good about the world. need a bigger lane. And I know exactly where we can find one.
To beautiful silence. It burns! It burns! It's burning!
Oh, dearie, dearie, dearie. These quadraphonic sound waves are compromising years of my research. I do hope someone will stop this. Oh, sweetheart, could you please stop with the roly-roly?
These noise levels are unacceptable, Gummy, and you are going to pay for it! What?
No, my babies!
For Pete's sake, Gummy, we live here!
Hi, neighbors?
My spats!
My map! My face!
Let's go!
This is a good place to call an official's timeout.
Maybe we should find another alley where we're more appreciated. There's never been a more perfect place for our new bowling league to be. It even has lines, and all we need are the pins. I know just the thing. Harry, pull those lights down from the tree. Paula, disinfect the shoes. We're ready to roll. I don't think so. Steer right. And another. Gummy, you're destroying the park. And those lanes aren't even up to standard. Don't interrupt my concentration. I'm on a roll. Must bowl more.
Uh-oh. This is how he gets with video games. He loses his hold on reality and thinks he's actually in the game.
Does seem to be losing his grip. No, I have a firm grip.
Ready, set, go. Ready and roll. Line up the pins. It's time to bowl.
Rolling, rolling, rolling. I'm the king of bowling. Knock down every pin in sight. Balling, balling, balling. Keep the pins up falling. Every ball I throw a strike. You better hide, get inside. When you see the ball, just run. Just run. Don't go away, nothing safe today. When I'm bowling, having fun. Rolling, rolling.
Paula, we have to stop it.
Knock down
I officially have the strongest taste for bowling.
Hey, Harry, you're a cannonball. Gummy's not going to stop this madness. I'm going to have to stop Gummy.
Off-roading was not part of the
We have to strike before he strikes again.
But how? Remember last time with the whales? I'll do anything to stop him before he gets to that point again.
Anything?
rolling, rolling, rolling. I'm the king of bowling. Knock down every pin in sight.
Yeah, going. Alright then, I'm just gonna come up to you. Just stand, okay? Just be pray for me, please, and I'll be there. Huh? Oh yeah, I can. But yeah, alright, that's cool, that's cool. Alright. I'll call you, my man.